The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. It forced me to go online to find out what the book was about. Yes. And read up about what the book was about. I guess you have to understand the plot. Snow in the later Hunger Games thing, was a child when the, quote, the 13 districts and the city went to war. And Snow's grandfather owned a munition plant, and where he was killed and the munition plant was destroyed. And this starts off with Snow as little children with his sister, and sometime after the big disaster war happened, his father was still alive, and sometime after that his father died and he was left alone with his mother and his sister and him. And it shows him going to the events of the Hunger Games. But the Hunger Games were played differently in this one. Birds and snakes. That threw me off. But they had birds who were repeat plot in the plot. It would repeat words. Now these are the birds. And the snakes were in there in this great big large drum with thousands of snakes in there. How they survive without being crushed is a good question. But we don't go into that. It's because we got a lot of fantasy here. But Snow basically kills all of his friends and runs the games. He even killed his mentor. Well, of course, then the Hunger Games are the future of all this. Is it very good? DVD, good. But it took me a few just to see this, to really understand what's going on.